Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. On today's video I will show you guys how to change your Google Chrome background look like this. It's really cool stuff. I'm using like a movie or a video on my background on my Google Chrome. So how to change that? First you have to find your images. Anything, could be anything. You could use your own, you could use your from phone or anything. For me, I just want to demo to you that search like GIF high resolution, looking like this, and then click image on Google and then search the image that you like. It's up to you. For instance, this Tony Stark. No, later I will get the copyright issue. So this one, maybe this one. This is the deep sea, I think. Deep sea, or oh no, this is whatever. And then click visit and then download the GIF. Okay, where is it? The GIF. Okay, let's say no, this one, not this one. I try another one. Let's say this one, the impulse GIF. Click visit and then save the GIF. Okay, save the GIF. Where's the GIF? Oh, one more time, this one, let's say, and then click visit and then again it's why. Oh no, it's already loaded. I can open in new tab and then click save the GIF, and then go back to to new tab of your Google Chrome, and then see on the down below here, here the pencil icon. This is the customize icon. Click on that one and then change theme. You can change the theme and then upload an image and then search the GIF or any image you already download. Open, and now my Google Chrome has this cool picture on it. So very simple tutorial, and if you want to make it easy, just upload to your from your phone, or you just log on into the Pinterest or similar website. So that's it, very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's a good, subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.